A large TV feature wall seamlessly hides all the clutter and provides great storage space behind the enclosed doors. With a sleek framed TV feature wall, it creates an illusion of more floor space and makes the space look larger. This open-concept kitchen with an island counter that serves as a dining table provides ample space to mingle around with family and guests. With a tailor-made kitchen, it is customized to suit the homeowner's lifestyle. In the master bedroom, the dark-colored bed head gives a full sensation and the cove lighting makes the space feel brighter and warmer.